Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to visit your state of Bihar. First of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Governor and the Honorable Chief Minister of the state for inviting me to dedicate some important projects for the welfare of the state at large. I also extend my warm wishes to my cabinet ministers who belong to this state for being present here. On this occasion, I would like to point out that this day is very important in the development of your state. Today, the state is receiving from the union government projects worth rupees 7,000 crores. I have no doubt that this would go a long way in improving connectivity. There are also many schemes in the health sector which are going to be inaugurated today. You are aware that these will make life easier for the people of the state, and I have no doubt that it will improve the healthcare here. With these projects, the government of India wants to provide more employment opportunities to all. In this connection, I wish to bring to your kind attention that paddy farmers are also going to be benefited by today's projects. At the same time, a few of these schemes are also related to mineral wealth and tourism. I congratulate the people of the state and the state government in this regard. It has been realized that wherever infrastructure was weak, development reaches very late. That is the reason why we are now focusing on developing our infrastructure, especially in the rural areas. By infrastructure, I do not mean only creation of assets. It means making life easy for the people. It also means creation of employment opportunities and rapid development. I would like to place on record that in the last 9 years, we have laid about 3,000 kilometers of roads in tribal areas. These modern projects are not only related to development but also to social justice. We want to provide these modern facilities to those who have suffered for centuries. At the same time, these roads and railway lines will provide access to modern facility and healthcare in these parts of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pride that we have also improved mobile connectivity in this state to a great extent. As you are aware, the state has been affected by Naxalite violence for the past few years. With the provision of mobile connections, the people of the villages are now getting access to information, and government is also able to easily move policemen whenever the people are affected by violence. It may not be out of place if I say that a new development story is being written in this state today. The 6-lane road now being built will connect distant parts to the rest of the country. I am aware that this road will pass through forest areas also. While developing such roads, we will take care to see that wildlife is not affected. I would like to assure you that animal passes would be constructed under these roads so that wildlife is not affected by traffic. On this occasion, I would like to point out that we want to ensure that wherever there is natural wealth, new opportunities are created. In the light of the above, more number of industries would be started in the years to come. I would like to remind you that development work has increased in those districts which have mineral wealth. You will be glad to know that schools, water bodies and roads are created using money from the district mineral fund. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the state government for implementing the banking scheme for the poor people in an excellent manner. The poor are getting direct help from the government as a result. You will be glad to note that the government of India is totally committed to the welfare of the poor. I would like to request you to see that these people get the benefit of social welfare schemes by direct credit to their bank accounts. It is a matter of satisfaction that the union government has given health cards to people below the poverty line in all parts of the state. This would enable them to get medical treatment even outside the state. With these few words, I have great pleasure in inaugurating all these schemes and wish you all success. Thank you.